In this video, I will guide you how to enable auto delete cache in CapCut. For this, you need to go to the menu on the top bar. Here is the menu. You need to click this arrow and go to the setting. And in the draft, you will see that cache, and here is the don't delete check mark. So you need to check this radio button to auto delete cache from 30 days, and even you can select the number of days, for example 15 days, and your auto delete cache will be delete from 15 days. And if you select 60 days, the cache will be delete from 60 days. So right now my cache is the 7.51 GB, which is quite high. So now I am getting it down to 15 days. So now my auto delete cache will be delete from 15 days. Now click save, and that's all. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.